Good afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It's Kevin Walsh with Keller Williams Realty, here to tell you a little bit about our new listing in South Natick at 12 Riverbend Drive. Mike?
Hello, everybody. Mike Jennings and the Pops Properties team and Keller Williams. This home truly has something for everyone. A lot of good features. Let's go inside and check it out.
Let's go.
Have a nice open space kitchen here with custom cabinets, corian counters, stainless appliances.
Place is really nice. You got to come Sunday 12 to 1:30. Check this place out.
How'd you like to have all your friends over for a little full court basketball? This huge L-shaped pool.
Never a bad day here.
As you can see, folks, this home has something for everyone. Just in time to entertain all your family and friends. We've got the 4th of July coming up. Look at this massive 2-tiered deck. Jungle gym area. Huge backyard. Nearly an acre of property here. Lots of shrubs, all vinyl fence, tons of privacy. Come check it out at our open house on Sunday from 12 to 1:30. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.